Listen, I'm pregnant now.
Mary!
Joseph, calm down.
Mary!
Joseph, calm down.
Who breed you?
It's complicated.
Hey, girl, you tell me say you're a virgin.
Yes, because
you
I
tell
am.
me say you're a virgin.
I am a virgin. I am a virgin.
I look at dirty mechanic, me see you flirt with the other day.
What? Joseph, no. No. Ew.
Who do it, Mary? Who breed you?
I gotta breed me.
God, I can't want me licking in your... Me look like idiot to you. Me look like idiot to you. You can't manage my penis. Oh, you gonna manage a God penis.
Hello, look at furniture, man. Don't start with me. Don't start with me.
Forward, we are going to clinic.
Hello, for what?
We are going to abort that.
We're not aborting Jesus.
What?
Listen, out of my fault. God choose my good up.